Most people think QuickBooks is just accounting software. But here's the truth. No one tells you. The real power of QuickBooks is not bookkeeping. It is how fast you can send invoices, collect payments, and control your cash flow without confusion or delays. And most small business owners get this completely wrong. They either underuse QuickBooks and keep struggling with manual invoices, or they overcomplicate it and never set it up properly. Both mistakes cost money. In this video, you are going to learn exactly how to manage invoices and payments using QuickBooks, step by step. No accounting background needed. No confusing jargon. Just a clear, practical system you can start using today to get paid faster and stay organized. And here's what makes this important. Cash flow is everything in a small business. You can have great products, loyal customers, and strong sales. But if your invoices are slow, or your payments are messy, your business will still struggle. So let's fix that. Now, before we jump into the steps, you need to understand something simple. QuickBooks is designed to do three things really well when it comes to invoicing. First, it helps you create professional invoices in minutes. Second, it tracks who has paid and who has not. And third, it helps you automate reminders so you are not chasing clients manually. But here's the problem. Most beginners never set it up correctly from the start. So they miss out on automation, reporting, and payment tracking. So let's go step by step from the beginning. First, setting up your QuickBooks account properly. When you log into QuickBooks for the first time, you will be asked to set up your business profile. This includes your business name, industry, and currency. This step seems simple, but it is very important. For example, imagine Alex, a freelance graphic designer. If Alex sets up QuickBooks with the wrong currency or incomplete business details, every invoice he sends will look unprofessional. Clients notice that immediately. So take your time here. Make sure your business information is accurate, because this is what appears on every invoice you send. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once your profile is ready, you move to the invoice settings. This is where you control how your invoices look and behave. You can add your logo, choose templates, set payment terms, and even customize thank you messages. And this is something most people ignore. But customization is what makes your business look professional. Think about it. If John receives a clean, branded invoice compared to a generic one, who do you think he trusts more? Now let's move to the most important part. Creating your first invoice. In QuickBooks, go to the Create Invoice section. You will see a simple form. You add your customer name, service or product description, quantity, price, and due date. But here's the problem. Most beginners rush this step and forget to add clear descriptions. And unclear invoices lead to payment delays. So instead of writing something vague like design work, write something clear, like logo design for marketing campaign with 3 revisions included. That small detail reduces confusion and increases your chances of getting paid on time. Now let's talk about something powerful. Automated invoicing. This is where QuickBooks becomes more than just software. It becomes a system. You can set recurring invoices for clients who pay you monthly. For example, if Sarah is a social media manager working with 3 clients on monthly contracts, she does not need to create invoices every month manually. QuickBooks automatically generates and sends them. That alone saves hours every month. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can also set automatic payment reminders. This means if a client has not paid by the due date, QuickBooks sends a reminder email automatically. And this is important because most small business owners feel uncomfortable chasing payments. Automation removes that pressure completely. Now let's move to payment collection. QuickBooks allows you to accept payments directly through invoices. Clients can pay using credit cards, bank transfers, or online payment systems depending on your setup. So imagine David, a web developer. Instead of sending an invoice and waiting for bank transfers manually, his clients click Pay Now directly on the invoice. Money goes into his account faster, and he spends less time following up. But here's the problem. Many users forget to enable online payments during setup. And that limits their cash flow speed. So always make sure payment options are activated in your settings. Now, let's talk about tracking payments. Once invoices are sent, QuickBooks automatically tracks their status. You can see whether an invoice is sent, viewed, paid, or overdue. This is extremely powerful because it removes guesswork. You always know where your money is. For example, if Lisa runs a small catering business, she can instantly see which clients have paid for events and which ones still owe money. No spreadsheets. No manual tracking. Now here's where it gets even better. You can generate reports that show your total income, outstanding invoices, and payment trends. This helps you understand your business health instantly. If too many invoices are overdue, you know you need to adjust your payment terms or follow-up strategy. But here's what most people miss. Reports are not just for accountants. They are for decision-making. Now let's move to mobile invoicing. QuickBooks has a mobile app that allows you to send invoices from anywhere. So if you are meeting a client, finishing a project, or even traveling, you can send invoices instantly. Imagine Michael, a photographer, at an event. Right after finishing a shoot, he sends the invoice directly from his phone. The client receives it immediately. That reduces delays and improves professionalism. Now let's talk about integration. QuickBooks connects with banks, payment gateways, and other business tools. This means your transactions can sync automatically. But here's the catch. If you do not connect your bank account properly, you will still end up doing manual work. So take time to link everything correctly during setup. Now let's go into a very important habit. Reviewing invoices weekly. Even though QuickBooks automates most tasks, you should still check your invoice dashboard once a week. Look for overdue payments, pending invoices, and cash flow trends. For example, if John notices multiple late payments every month, he might decide to change his payment terms from 30 days to 15 days. Small adjustments like this can significantly improve cash flow. Now let's bring everything together. Managing invoices and payments in QuickBooks is not complicated when you follow the right steps. First, set up your profile correctly. Second, customize your invoices. Third, create clear and detailed invoices. Fourth, enable automation for recurring invoices and reminders. Fifth, activate online payments. And finally, monitor your reports regularly. If you follow this system, you stop chasing payments and start receiving them on time. And here's the biggest takeaway. QuickBooks is not just a tool for recording money. It is a system for controlling how money flows into your business. If you set it up correctly, it saves you time, reduces stress, and helps you get paid faster. If this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to manage invoices and payments in QuickBooks, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your biggest invoicing challenge, and subscribe for more simple business breakdowns. Because the faster you fix your invoicing system, the faster your business grows.